What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website in 10 minutes or less. So if you want to create a website and you think it is difficult, just web designers can do it or web developers, well, let me tell you that you're wrong. It's super easy to do it nowadays. In fact, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it with just 4 simple steps. First, what you have to do is get a web hosting service and a domain name. There's a link in the description below of this video so you can go to the web hosting service that I use, and I recommend Bluehost. So let's get started. Once you're here, you have to click in the Get Started button. Choose a plan. We're gonna use the basic. If you plan to create more than one website, you can go for the Plus or the Choice Plus. So we're gonna choose the basic. In here, you have to create a domain name. If you don't have one, just type here whatever name you want. Or if you already have one, you can just type it here and add it to your account. Keep in mind that Bluehost will give you a domain name for free. Okay, I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna show you how this works. And I'm gonna skip this right now. In this section, you have to fill in your information, your first name, last name, country, all that stuff. Email address, make sure to type it correctly because they're gonna send you some information later on. Package information, we have different plans. In this case, the longer the plan you get, the cheaper it's gonna be. Just in this case, gonna get the basic plan of 12 months just to show you how much it is. And package extras, this uncheck this, guys, you don't wanna need it. Honestly, you can get these features for free in WordPress with some plugins. And as you can see, our website hosting and domain name is only gonna cost us $60. It's really cheap. Then you have to go and fill in your payment information. You can use your credit card number or you can pay with PayPal if you want. Just choose here and scroll down and make sure to click here. I have read and agree to Bluehost terms of service and click on submit. I'm not gonna do this right now because I already have an account with Bluehost, but basically the next step is gonna show you just the receipt. Just make sure you have all your information correct, and you're gonna have to create an account, create your password, and then it's gonna direct you to the login dashboard of Bluehost, and there's where the second step starts. Install WordPress. And here you have to log in with the information of the account you just created. Just type here your email or your domain and your password, right? Then we just have to answer this question: what kind of site you're creating? Okay, you wanna say like a business, right? What type is it? In this case, you can choose whatever you want, depends on what you're doing. Actually, this step is not that important, so we're gonna skip this. In the second step, first we have to write the name of our site. In the site tagline, basically you have to write a small description of your website, but in this case I'm just gonna write the name just to speed up the process. There you have the question that if you want to add a blog, you can click yeah. Then do you want the ability to sell anything? In this case we're not selling anything, we don't want to create an online store, so we don't want to choose this one. Then you can choose how comfortable you are to create a website, right? Depends on you. Well, I'm very comfortable with that. I'm gonna choose very and continue to theme selection. Here are a lot of themes you can use, but this time we're just gonna skip it. I'm gonna show you how you can do that in WordPress itself. And here we are. This is our site. Then you're just gonna get started. No, you don't wanna buy anything. Skip that. Okay, then you just have to go and click this button, and here we are. This is the backend of WordPress. Pretty simple, right? Now, once we have done that, we're just gonna go to step number 3, install a theme and plugins. The theme is gonna give our website a nice appearance, and the plugin is gonna help our site function even better. So let's go do that. We're just gonna go to appearance, and we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna add new theme. We're gonna search for Ocean WP. Install and then activate. Okay, once we've done that, we're just gonna go now to plugins. and install some of the important plugins we need to use. As you can see, it already pop up that we have to install the following plugins: Elementor and Ocean Extra. So to do it, we just have to go to Add New. We're gonna search for Elementor. We're gonna install now, activate. We're gonna skip this. Then again, we're gonna go to plugins. We're gonna go to Add New again, and we're gonna search for Ocean Extra. This is gonna give our team some extra features, so we're gonna install it. Install now, and then activate. Okay, now we're almost done. We just have to go to step number 4 and customize our site. So first, we're gonna create our homepage. So we're gonna go to Pages, Add New. Let's keep this, and we're just gonna add a title. We're gonna say homepage. Then we're gonna change this. We're gonna content layout. We're gonna choose 100% full width, and we're gonna go to title, and we're gonna disable the title. And in page attributes, we're just gonna choose Elementor full width. Then we're just gonna choose publish, and then hit on edit with Elementor. Then we're gonna come here and click here in this folder. You have to choose a template. There's many of templates. That's something I like about Elementor. They have the really nice template. They're free and paid ones. As you can see, this one are paid. It has the pro badge here, so you have to get the pro version. So if you want to get more templates, just click the link below so you can start using the pro version. But in this case, we're just gonna use a free one. We're just gonna click here, insert, and this is our template, a really nice clean template we can use. Okay, now let's say we want to change this. Okay, we're just gonna click here in this 6 dots, got it here, and let's say we want to change the background. Okay, we're gonna go to style, choose image, we're gonna select a file in downloads. Let's say, okay, these are some images that already come with the template we just inserted. We're gonna choose this one, insert media, and there we have it. Also, we can change this logo. I'm gonna click here, we wanna choose an image, wanna upload file again, or wanna change it for this one, and then insert media. And we have something like this. It's really easy to change all that stuff. You can do your logo or put some text here. It just depends on you. Also, you can change the other sections. Let's say we can change this. We're gonna content. We can change the content there, the colors, the green, the text size, or fonts. See, there are many fonts you can choose from. Just you to play around here. And it's the same you can do that here, change the images, all that is really easy to use and to change your website style with Elementor. I'm gonna show you like maybe this button, right? You wanna change that, just click here, and I'm gonna put the same, our specialties. In the link, you have to paste an URL. Maybe you just created a page just for your specialties, talking about them. You just can paste the link here, and when people clicks on the button, it will redirect them to that page. You can change the style, you can change the color, blue, white, whatever you want. It's really easy to do this, guys. You have to play around with the platform, and you can change all the section as well, as I'm already showing you here. Let's say that you want to add a footer. We're gonna add it. We're just gonna click here on the folder. Then we're gonna go to blogs. Then you have to go and choose a blog that you like that looks good for your footer. You're gonna scroll down. We're gonna choose this one. And as you can see, it looks good. It looks the contact and our social icons on it, so it looks nice. And here we have it. This is our footer. We can change all this. You can see the social icons. You just click here. It opened the edit social icon section, and you can just erase all you don't have and choose the one that you have. Just click on them and paste the link to that specific social media account. easy as that. So the same here, you can change all that as I showed you before. So let's say that you want to change the main menu and change the logo here and put some menus here. So what we have to do first is click in update so we can save our progress. Then we're just gonna click here in this icon that looks like a hamburger. We're gonna go to view page. You can do this as well from your main dashboard in WordPress. And then once you're here, you just click in customize. So now what we're gonna do first is gonna change this name into our logo. So we gotta go to header, logo. We're gonna select the logo. This is our logo. And there we have our logo. We can change the max width as well. Just wanna make it bigger or smaller. Yeah, it's good like that. So now what we have to do next is gonna put some pages here in our main menu. So we gotta go back. We're gonna go to menus and create new. We're gonna name this main menu, and we're gonna choose the location. It's gonna be the main one. Click on add items, and we just have to add pages. Let's say we're gonna create an about page. Click add services. You can also do this from the WordPress dashboard. So this is another way you can do it. I'm gonna click add, and let's create contact. And there we have it. You can change the location however you want. And if we just go to high controls, we're gonna see that we have our menu here, and we're gonna get rid of place your content here. We're gonna get rid of this. We're just gonna go back. We're gonna go to top bar, general, and gonna enable that top bar. And there we have it. Simple as that. We create our main menu and we set up our logo. So when you change something here, always make sure to click on publish so your work will be saved. Now the final step we have to do is just to tell WordPress that identify this page as our home page. So in order to do that, we have to go back, and then we're gonna go to home page settings, choose a static page and select our page. So this is our home page. We're gonna select that and it's done. Now we have to click on publish and we're gonna have our website created. Simple as that, in just a few minutes. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a website in 4 simple steps. It's time for you to take action. Click the link below so you can go to Bluehost and start your site. And if you find this helpful, share it with someone else that might need it. Comment below if you have any question. If you want to know more tips on how to create a website and online business, design it, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And without further ado, see you in the next one.